Welcome back to the Edu Collab channel. Today's video is a continuation of the previous one. So if you haven't checked that out, there's a link in the description. The topic we're taking up today is simplification of fractions, along with the question, what are mixed and improper fractions? So if you remember, in the first video, we had said that there are some exceptions, where the fraction is bigger than a whole. That is, when improper and mixed fractions come into the picture. An improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than a denominator. This can happen when you're multiplying and dividing fractions. For example, let's take the fraction 5/4. This is an improper fraction as the numerator has a larger number than the denominator. When you have improper fractions, you convert them into mixed fractions or mixed numbers. A mixed number or fraction is a combination of both a whole number and a fraction. So, when you have an improper fraction, the method we use is division, as 5/4 quite simply means 5 divided by 4. The answer to that is 1 with a remainder of 1. But when you write it as a fraction, you write it as 1 and 1/4, or one whole number and one part of another 4 parts. Not very clear? Let's try looking at it in a simpler way. When you have a proper fraction, you have 1 pi. But when the numerator is higher than the denominator, you have an improper fraction. You add another pi. Now, all you do is take the leftover number and take that from the other pi. And keep in mind, 1 pi has to be cut into the same amount of pieces that the first pi has been cut into. So, looking at 5/4 means that I want 5 pieces of pie. But since the first pi has only got 4 pieces, I make another pi and cut that one into 4 pieces as well, since we got 4 pies from the previous pi. But I only want 1 from the second pi. So from the second pi, I would get 1/4 piece. And from the previous pi, I would get 4/4 pieces. And since 4/4 is 1, the fraction that I would get would be 1/4, which is the example of a mixed fraction. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.